When I started my master's a few years ago at UTS, I was also doing some teaching at another institution. And so I had first-hand experience using learning management systems online and also being a lecturer interacting with bachelor degree students. And I was using legacy technologies. I was using LMS number one here, using RTO number two here, trying to mark attendances, store files online, use this app to or platform to sign up and to communicate with students. And it was all a big mess, having multiple platforms to use to communicate, to mark attendances, to mark work, to distribute my resources. And even as a student, I refused to do group work because I thought maybe I'll do all the work and we'd all get the same marks where some of the other students wouldn't even put effort in. And so when I thought about that, I was thinking maybe there's a gap here. Maybe I could really truly solve this problem. So I took a year to actually collect my data, doing a lot of interviews, interviewed students, ran some prototypes at UTS, building little facets of what now is our app and getting feedback. And when we finally get all the data, I built this learning management system called Relay. And our value proposition is that Relay can measure group work simultaneously when it's done so that the teacher can actually accurately give students individual marks in a group work setting. But it's also a platform that has everything in one. We have a place where you can discuss, we have a place where you can chat, we have a place where you can mark attendances. We even have Zoom integrated inside the app, so you don't have to actually sign up to Zoom. You can use app inside of Relay. And it's so simple and so beautiful to look at with beautifully realized designs with the user experience so that when you click on your left-hand menu on your right-hand side, your feature appears. Just something very simple and that's not intimidating to use. When I use existing systems, it's quite intimidating. Even as a tech person myself, I get confused. I get confused about where things are and how to build things or how to manage my students, or even as a student, where do I go to submit here and there and where do I discuss? One of the other value propositions we have is that it's got analytics right throughout the app so the teacher can actually see their students' online activity and how they're contributing inside their um, interaction with students or with the learning content. www.relay.com. Check us out.